Welcome to the English Listening Stories. Listen carefully. Read along. The story begins now. The woman everyone believed. Claire was not an ordinary woman. Her name carried weight. People saw her on television, at conferences, at formal events. She spoke about success, discipline, strong values. People trusted her words. They described her as composed, elegant, dependable. When Claire entered a room, attention followed. Emily lived with her. To the public, Emily was Claire's younger sister. That was the story everyone accepted. Claire cared deeply about perception, about how others judged her. She chose her clothes carefully. She measured her words. She avoided mistakes. Her reputation was controlled. People admired her confidence. They believed she lived an honest life. Emily stayed out of view, quiet, reserved. No one questioned her place, because Claire never allowed questions. Daniel married Claire knowing the truth. He knew before the wedding. Claire told him late one night. Her voice was steady. "I had a child when I was young," she said. "No one can ever find out." Daniel listened closely. He did not interrupt. By then, Claire was already rising. Her career was gaining momentum. Daniel understood the risk. The truth could destroy everything. So he accepted it. Not out of love, out of calculation. From that moment forward, Daniel shared responsibility for the lie. Emily grew up surrounded by comfort. But comfort is not identity. She sensed the absence early. No childhood photos, no birth stories, no family memories. When people asked, Claire answered instead. She prefers privacy. She doesn't like attention. Emily learned restraint. But unanswered questions do not fade. They deepen. As Emily matured, she stopped accepting vague answers. She asked Daniel one evening, "Why does everyone think I'm her sister?" Daniel avoided her eyes. "That's just the situation," he said. The response stayed with her. Emily began investigating quietly. Old documents, dates, archived records, every detail pointed to the same conclusion. Claire was not her sister. Claire was her mother. Emily confronted Claire in private. Her tone was controlled. "I need the truth," Emily said. "I already know enough." Claire felt panic rise. Not fear of Emily, fear of exposure, fear of collapse. She denied everything. Emily did not argue. She said something more dangerous. "I won't lie anymore." That sentence changed the balance. Claire did not intend to kill. She intended to manage the situation. The drive was meant to restore control, away from witnesses, away from scrutiny. The argument escalated. Emily spoke calmly. "I will tell them," she said. "I deserve my real identity." Claire imagined the consequences. Public disgrace, professional ruin, total loss of authority. She stopped seeing Emily as her child. She saw a threat. What followed was brief. No witnesses, no spectacle, only a decision. And silence. Days later, Claire explained. "Emily moved abroad," she said. "She wanted independence." The explanation sounded reasonable. Emily was young, private, no one challenged it. Claire continued her public life. She spoke about resilience, about difficult personal choices. Suspicion never reached her. Years passed. Claire became more influential. Daniel remained beside her. The lie aged, but it never dissolved. Daniel changed. He drank more. He withdrew. He knew where Emily was buried. That knowledge followed him. Claire never mentioned Emily again. Silence became routine. Daniel's arrest had nothing to do with Emily. Financial fraud, hidden transfers, unreported accounts. Investigators traced the money. One transaction stood out. It occurred shortly after Emily vanished. A detective paused. "Who is Emily?" he asked. Daniel said nothing. The police did not pressure him. They waited. They repeated the question. Daniel understood the reality. Claire would protect herself. She always had. He would be abandoned. Fear replaced loyalty. Daniel confessed, slowly, completely. He told them who Emily really was. He described the drive, the location, the silence afterward. The case was reopened quietly. Investigators followed Daniel's directions. They searched the site. They found remains, physical proof. The lie ended there. When officers arrived, Claire did not resist. She adjusted her coat. She asked one question. "Will this become public?" No one answered. Claire did not deny the charges. She said only this: "You don't understand what I built." When the truth surfaced, the reaction was immediate. Shock, disbelief. The woman people admired was revealed as something else. Interviews stopped, support vanished, her image collapsed. Daniel testified. He offered no defense, not for Claire, not for himself. He said one sentence: "I accepted the lie because it benefited me." That was enough. Claire protected her reputation. Daniel protected his comfort. Emily protected the truth. Only one of them paid with a life. Lies can create power, but truth does not disappear. It waits. Thank you for listening. More English listening stories are waiting for you.